All right, hi everybody, Mr. Winter here with another quick little tutorial on how to multiply two matrices together. So I've got a couple of examples queued up here, and the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you can indeed multiply these together. So quick check at the dimensions, and I'm going to start up here with this A times B for these matrices right up here. So you see that this one is a 2 by 2 matrix, and so is this one right here. So since the middle numbers match up, you know that your answer will come from the outer dimensions, and the answer is going to be a 2 by 2. So in order to make this work really well, we're going to set this up where I put the first matrix A off to the left over here with 6, -7, 11, and 12. And then matrix B is going to go up top. So there's the setup, and now I'm going to put in green my answer matrix right here, which is going to be a 2 by 2. So if I want to do the first row and the first column, which is going to be this spot right here, if I want to do that one, then I need to go across the first row and down the first column as I multiply and pair off and add. So as I go across the first row, the 6 pairs up with this 3 up here. So if I do 6 times 3, that's going to give me 18. Then I pair up with this -7 and this 5. So -7 times 5 is -35. So I have 18 and -35. And when I add those together, I should get -17 is the answer. Okay, so to do the first row and the second column, that's going to give me this entry right here. I do the same thing. I pair off. So 6 times -2 for -12. -7 times 4 for -28. So I've got -12 and -28. Put those together, and you get -40 as the answer. Okay, real quick on the other rows. It works exactly the same way. So I'm going to go across the second row and down this first column, and that's going to give me this entry right here. So 11 times 3 is 33. 12 times 5 is 60. So 33 and 60 is a whopping 93 as the answer. And then for my last entry right down here, I need to go across the second row and down the second column. So 11 times -2 is -22, and 12 times 4 is 48. So I've got -22 and then +48, and you put those together, and that should give you 26. So these are your 4 entries. These are your 4 entries for the answer to A times B. Now, I want you to note over here off to the right that B times A is something that is also possible because the dimensions are the same. And you could, but you're going to get different results here because of the order in which you multiply. So matrix multiplication is not what we say to be commutative. It means it's if you multiply things in the same order, you're going to get the same answer. Or different order, you're going to get the same answer. So for numbers, it works. Like 6 times 5 is the same as 5 times 6, but it doesn't work that way for matrices. Okay, hope that quick little reminder helped. We'll see you in class.